A second group of Haitian migrants has arrived on the shores of Long Bay, east of Portland.
Evening, 37 Haitians, including 8 children, crammed in a small boat, arrived at the Boston Beach in Portland today.
These 37 Haitians who touched down on Jamaica on Monday via Portland will be charged with illegal entry and deported back to Haiti.
Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. In today's video, we're taking a further look into a thought-provoking but deeply relevant topic. Should Jamaica deport Haitian refugees when they arrive on the island? It's a very complex issue that touches on history, international law, human rights, and compassion. But before we dive into the heart of this matter, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate videos like these. Jamaica has a long and complex history with Haiti. And if you didn't know this already, Haiti was the first independent black nation in the Western Hemisphere. Jamaica and Haiti share cultural, linguistic, and religious ties, as well as a common struggle against colonialism and slavery. Jamaica has also been a destination for Haitian refugees who are fleeing political turmoil, violence, and poverty in their homeland. However, the treatment of Haitian refugees in Jamaica has been controversial and inconsistent. According to international law, refugees have the right to seek asylum and protection in another country and should not be forcibly returned to a place where their life or freedom is threatened. Jamaica is a party to the 1951 Refugee Convention and its 1967 Protocol, which set out these principles and obligations. But Jamaica has not incorporated these treaties into its domestic law and has often deported Haitian refugees as illegal migrants without giving them a fair chance to apply for asylum or humanitarian assistance. This was the case in July 2023, when 37 Haitians arrived on the shores of Boston Beach in Portland, after reportedly traveling for 2 weeks from Jeremy in Haiti. They were charged with illegal entry, fined, and ordered to be deported by a parish judge. Many Jamaicans on social media expressed outrage and sympathy for the Haitians, questioning the legality and the morality of the government's actions. Some argued that the Haitians were fleeing persecution and deserved protection under international law. Others pointed out the historical and cultural links between the two countries and urged solidarity and compassion. The government defended its decision, claiming that the Haitians had not sought asylum and that their intended destination was not Jamaica. The government also cited security and health concerns, as well as limited resources and the capacity to accommodate refugees.
No destination in mind. They only wanted to flee the hardships of their country. That's according to Marcus Goff, one of the attorneys representing the 37 Haitian migrants who landed in Buff Bay, Portland over a week ago. Speaking on the morning agenda on Power 106 on Monday, Mr. Goff says the migrants have indicated that they want to remain in Jamaica and have expressed relief that Freedom Imagineers has intervened on their behalf. And the Advocates Network says Haitian migrants coming to Jamaica's shores should be expected, and so arrangements ought to be in place to accommodate them.
The Haitians should have been given access to a fair and efficient asylum procedure, where they could present their claims and evidence of persecution or other serious harm in Haiti. The fact that they did not explicitly ask for asylum does not mean that they did not need it or qualify for it. Many refugees are unaware of their rights anyway, are sometimes afraid to speak up. Secondly, the government's assumption that the Haitians were not aiming for Jamaica is speculative and irrelevant. Even if they were trying to reach another country, they still had the right to seek asylum in Jamaica once they arrived there. The government cannot simply ignore its obligations under international law by claiming that the refugees were accidental arrivals. Thirdly, the government's concerns about security and health are exaggerated and discriminatory. There is no evidence that the Haitians posed any threat to public order or safety. They were unarmed and peaceful. They had no signs of infectious diseases. Moreover, the local residents who welcomed them with food and water showed that Jamaicans are still capable of generosity and hospitality towards strangers in need. Finally, the government's argument that it lacks resources and the capacity to host refugees is understandable, but still not insurmountable. Jamaica is not alone in facing this challenge. Many other countries in the region and around the world are hosting much larger numbers of refugees than Jamaica. The international community can provide support and assistance to help Jamaica fulfill its obligations and share the responsibility. So Jamaica should not deport Haitian refugees when they arrive on the island. Instead, it should respect their rights under international law, provide them with a fair asylum process, and offer them protection and assistance until they can safely return home or find another durable solution. This would be consistent with Jamaica's values of justice, humanity, and solidarity, as well as its historical ties with Haiti. So, as we wrap up this discussion, I would really love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you believe Jamaica should uphold its historical ties with Haiti and respect international laws by not deporting Haitian refugees? Or do you think the government's concerns about resources and security take precedence? Remember, these are complex issues, and there is no easy answer. So let's engage in a respectful and insightful conversation down below in the comment section. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay informed and stay compassionate. Thank you for watching.
According to the United Nations, criminal groups killed over 2,000 people and kidnapped more than 1,000 others during the first half of 2023.
Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.